A Wing Chun master. Alright, real quick. So real quick side quest.
Fighter, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Scrap.
Yep, I was right. Oh wait, I was wrong. The brother is the Wing Chun master. This guy's the brawler. Okay, I feel it.
Hands up, hands.
I'm so interested. Okay, IP man.
There we go. There we go.
Oh, that was a good right. Oh, nice. Okay. I like the front kicks. Okay. There you go, brother. Oh. Watch out, bro.
Back fist, brother.
Oh yeah, back fist, brother. Let's find out. Let's find out real quick. I didn't see it, low key. That kind of was an elbow. I'm not gonna lie to you, brother. That was an elbow, bro. Back fist. Hey man, don't be that guy, bro.
Back fist, brother.
No, it was not, brother. Okay.
Good. Okay, fight.
He's laughing it off. Okay, all right.
Great fight, y'all.
All right, here we go. Oh, he tried it. He's gonna try and throw overhand over when he does that double kick.
Come on.
He's gonna do something with that. Let's find out. Okay, right hand. Ooh, that was nasty. Oh, okay, he's gonna brawl. Yeah. The brawlers. Dang. Yep. You gotta. Okay, there you go.
Hands up.
Keep going.
The major flaw
Hands up.
has to be the fact that he doesn't know how to protect himself.
There you go. Keep going.
No.
Wait. What? Okay, never mind. It's an MMA fight.
Time, break. Good fight, guys. Good fight.
That was interesting.
He's more technical than you gotta make it a brawl. Put him up against the wall and brawl him, alright? He's more technical. You're not gonna beat him if you keep your distance. He's good at distance, you need to close in and make it a brawl. You're tough. You got more.
Yeah.
Those kicks, they didn't even face that kick, bro.
Yeah.
And when you get that chance, don't stop. Don't stop. You throw that through, you throw that knee to that body.
Fighter, you ready?
All right, here we go.
Fighter, you ready?
Let's get it. Nice leg kick. Oh, nice teep to the body. Ooh, okay. Oh, he's trying. He's. Oh, there he goes, the right hand.
Oh, good checks. Good. Oh, yeah.
Frame him. Oh, there you go. Oh, good body kick. Oh, good knees. Oh, good elbow. Oh, but he's brawling. He's in there with you. Bro saying finger licking good right now, for sure.
There you go.
Oh, a choke? Oh, that's not how it works, my friend. That's not how it works. Wait a minute. Why would you just... So you're just going to let him choke you out. So you're just going to let him do that. We're not going to try and at least try to... Like, he did not have it right here. Fight. That's your opportunity where it's like, okay, let me see how I can, maybe move myself. Maybe like... No, we were going to just chill here. Matter of fact... Oh, good job by Wing Chun though. Wing Chun got that stuff, bro. Let's see how good this Wing Chun master is, bro. I'm curious how it's gonna do in the scrapyard.
Jay Money fighting on the Bremerton, just here to fight.
Xiao,
Okay.
just gotta learn and get better.
Facts.
Ladies
Feel
and
that.
gentlemen, welcome back to the Scrapyard for an MMA
Fire
fight.
chicken.
Shout out to the
Let's go.
sponsors, Pishoto Premium Clothing Brand and HKA USA. Best gear sponsors around. Check them out. Links are in the description of both of those. Guys, be safe and fight hard.
Let's get it.
You guys both know the rules. Protect yourselves at all times. Listen to my commands at all times.
Simple
Touch
stuff.
the gloves now and go to your corners.
All right. I'm so curious on his fighting style, bro.
Fighter, you ready? Fighter, you ready? Yeah. Scrap hard, round one.
Scrap hard. Interesting fighting stance. Oh, okay. Straight body kicks. Okay, Jay Bunny. Just overwhelm him with punches.
Get him off here. Get him off here. Punch him in the air.
Punch him in the ear. Okay, what is he gonna do? What's the move? What's the move, brother? What's the move, brother? Okay, I see you. I see you. Nice. Oh yeah. Jay Money is Jay Money isn't letting him off that cage. Ooh, nice transition to the back. Oh, kinda. Oh, good job, Wing Shang or Xiao Long. Oh, there you go. I feel like Jay Money is gonna tire himself out based off what I'm seeing here. He's doing a lot more. Oh damn! What a terrible position. Straight elbow to neck. There you go. There you go, Jay Money. There you go. Don't stop. I mean, none of that really landed, but okay. Jay Money, try and mess up his breathing there, buddy.
Grab your hands and squeeze.
Oh, I swear, bro. You're gonna wake up tomorrow morning with like that one thing where you just like where your neck is all messed up and like you can't really move your neck, so you have to move like the rest of your body in order for you to like look at someone, right? You're gonna be like this. For real. Okay. What are you gonna do? Okay, here we go. I like the stance. I like the stance.
Let's go, Jay Money. Get your bread.
Punch.
Get your bread.
Hit him with that 1-2. 1-2 straight to the chin.
No, I like the kick. Ooh, beautiful body kick. I mean, oh, you don't. Oh, the backhand's gonna smack him. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, he's gonna do the replay. Oh, hold on. He even posed at the end. He even gave that Jean-Claude Van Damme pose. He said, "Let me pose on him. Let me pose on him." Oh yeah, that was beautiful. That's beautiful. He led with that into a smooth one, bruh. That was good. You love to see that.
All right, in round two,
Ah,
you see
bruh,
it
Jay
right
Money.
here.
Let's get it. See what happens. Oh, there. Oh, wait a minute. What is going on? Overhand, knee, knee, and then that was beautiful. Oh, the smirk on the Muay Thai fighter. He did it again? Nice. Oh, nice. Ooh, that was. Oh, his head would have been off if he would have landed that kick. Ooh, that was 1-2. Oh, Xiao Monk ain't playing. Oh, nice little uppercuts. Oh, nice little uppercut. Another uppercut. A hook. Ooh, nasty knee by the Muay Thai fighter. Ooh. Ooh, good hook. What? This Xiao Monk got hands, no lie, bro. Ooh, a nice knee from the Muay Thai fighter. Is that Tony Weeks? What? I never knew Tony Weeks be doing Muay Thai fights. A nice kick. Nice leg kick. Ooh. Ooh, the knees is nice. Oh, nice front kick. Nice knee. Oh, that was a close one. There you go. Oh, the Muay Thai fighter looks like he's getting frustrated. Oh, nice. Oh, he tried to frame him. Nice little frame into a right here. Yeah, I see that. Oh, nice. Oh, he went for a roundhouse. Oh, good jab. Oh, good knee. Oh. Oh yeah. The body work is paying off, bro. The body work is paying off. Another knee to the body. Nice. Ooh, good body shot. Oh, another nice knee to the body. Oh, nice right. Oh, another nice one. Oh my God, the body work. Woo, that was good, bro. The body work is really paying off for the Muay Thai fighter. Oh, nice kick. Did you see the sweat flying off of this one? Look at this shit. Oh my God, bro. Just straight missed. Ooh. Oh, nice right and left hook. Oh my gosh. Oh, good job by Shaolin Monk. Okay, nice try for the hook. Oh, good knee. Now this dude, bro, this dude is just tanking all of these hits, bro. Like it ain't nothing, bro. He's tanking all them shots. Ooh, good right. Ooh, good knee. Dude, this Muay Thai fighter is just taking these, bro. Okay. Oh. Nice. Oh, what? No way, bro. He was able to get it back. He got it back in blood. He tried to rush him again like he usually does. He just gets tripped this time. You love to see that. Oh, good leg kick. I mean, good body shot. Another one. Oh my goodness, bro. Dude, this dude is literally a body snatcher. The Muay Thai fighter is literally a body snatcher, bro. Look at that, bro. He got him back for those 2 trips. Those 2 trips he got him back for, bro. Oh, they're trading. Ooh, he was close to getting another trip. Oh, good knee. Dude. This is amazing, bruh. Nice jab. Oh, okay. Ooh, nice shots. Ooh, close. He wanted an uppercut. He wanted an uppercut, but nice leg kick. Bro, anyone else would have got caught with this kick. This dude hit us with the Matrix. This dude's Neo right now. What? What? That's crazy work, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. This is an insane fight. What's the next move, bro? Oh, wait, oh no, what did I do? Oh no. All right, let's take a nice look at this, bro. He went for the long leaning back, right? And just got clapped right here. I'm surprised he was still able to stand up here, bro. That was a good move by the Shaolin monk, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, bro was able to take a nice enough glance to see that he was leaning back, so he just finished his finished the spin off with a backhand, bro. Beautiful move. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No way, bro. Oh, he tried to go back at him. He tried to hit him back with one. What's the move? Here we go. Tony, brother, I need you to get out the way from me, my guy. I need you to get out the way from me, my guy. Ooh, that was a good knee. Okay. Good stuff. Good work. Nice. Nice double. Oh, nice kick. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh my God, bro. The body work is crazy, bro. Oh, he tried again. He went for it again, bro. He went for it again. You can't be spamming your moves like that, though. He went for it. But this time, the Muay Thai fighter did not lean back. As a matter of fact, he took advantage. But he still got hit, though. Oh, but he still got hit. I mean, he tried it, though. I like that. Oh. Beautiful work. Good stuff, boys. Who won that? Who won that? Okay. Oh, he won? Muay Thai won? How do y'all feel about this fight? How do y'all feel? Who do you think won this one? Now, personally, I think the reason why Muay Thai fighter won was because he was able to the body work, bro. It was just the body work. He was able to get them knees in more consistently, and he was able to, like, at some point the Shaolin monk did kind of like, you know, was a little like didn't really have an answer until he was able to throw that kick into a spinning elbow or back fist. That's when the tide turned, and that's when you saw everything else go off, bro. So who do you think won that fight? This one's a toss up for me. This was a good fight. This was a good fight.